Hi YouTube, today we're going to show you how to cut a category 5 or RJ45 end on a piece of Cat5 wire. You're going to need the connector, the wire, a pair of dikes, stripper, and also the crimper. So this is the best way to start. You get the orange and orange white on this side, and the brown and brown white on this side, the blue blue white, and the green green white. And start peeling them apart. And it goes orange white orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, brown white, brown. And then what you want to do is fan them together, get them nice and tight, kind of grab them with your thumb. Then I like to take about a thumbnail, chop them straight off. Take the connector with the tip down. Slide the connector in. Take the crimper. Insert it, crimp. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.